Namaste and welcome back everyone. Currently I am here at Singapore and today I am flying with Philippine Airlines to Manila from Singapore. My today's flight is PR510 and flight time is around 3 hours and 50 minutes. The aircraft for today's flight is Airbus A321-200 and I am flying on its economy class. The one-way ticket price for this flight cost me around 225 Singapore dollars and I booked it directly through the Philippine Airlines website. I arrived here at Singapore from Korea and I flew on 747 of Korean Air from Seoul to Singapore, and that video is also available in this channel. Before that I flew from Japan to South Korea with Japan Airlines and that video is also available in this channel. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or have flown on this flight, please do comment below. You can follow me on Instagram too and the link is in the description below. I am here at nearest bus stop from my hotel and waiting for bus to Changi International Airport. Now the bus has arrived and there is the bus number 36 for Changi Airport. It's November end and I found that the days are rainy this time. I have a huge luggage so I cannot sit. So if you have a huge luggage, you can use MRT. I was near Bugis and this bus will take around 1 hour to reach Changi Airport Terminal 1. The rain has become so heavy and now the bus is also nearing Changi and I can see the aircraft on my left. Finally, I have arrived here at Changi International Airport and it's Terminal 1. You can get bus to city from here and also there is MRT in between Terminal 1 and Terminal 3. Now I am heading towards the Jewel from here and that's the reason that I came too early. I am here at the top floor and this is Jewel. It's one of the best places to visit and spend time during the layover. This is my first time here, so first I am going to drop my luggage and will freely explore this area. I am here at early check-in counter of Philippine Airlines. Actually my flight is of midnight but it's around 5 am. Now I already got my boarding pass and dropped my luggage. After early check-in I am again here at the Jewel and this is the waterfall that looks amazing. Also the train passes by this place too, so you can see it from the train when you have transit at this airport. This train connects the terminals of the Changi and you don't need to get out of the immigration for this great view. You can pass by the waterfall and see it from inside the train. Hope I will do it on my next trip. My time at Jewel is over and now I am heading to do some plane spotting. Here you can also find the baggage storage service. There you have to pay some price and up front there is early check-in counters. Now I have arrived here at the Terminal 1 check-in and departure area and the early check-in is at level 1 of Jewel. Airlines that provides early check-in service are Japan Airlines, Qantas, Turkish Airlines, Philippine Airlines, Thai Airways, Fiji Airways, Air France, KLM, Finnair, Emirates and Qatar. Now I am heading towards the viewing mall and it's on the next level of check-in counter. So this is the viewing mall and it's a space inside terminal and also it's different than the Skydeck in Japan. This is the Terminal 1 and can spot some rare airlines and aircrafts here. Lufthansa 747-8 is rear one and I flew on 747-8 of Korean Air from Seoul to Singapore. I flew on its business class and you can watch that video on this channel. Now this is the Shenzhen Airlines A320 and I am able to capture it closely. Embraer EZ of Scoot Airline is another rare one to spot. These are new on its fleets for regional flight. I have never flown on it and I am looking forward for it.
Bring down arrow zero. Okay, Lord. Oh. Dude, are you so up or off now? Look at this.
No, I'm trying to go to the such countries like 7 looks beautiful.
777-300.
Yeah. Yeah. A320
I was lucky to meet 3 people here at Viewing Mall and who love the aviation. Now I'm going to eat McDonald's with 2 of them.
Oh, it's the ground floor.
What's yours for the
Yeah.
tempura, right?
Time. I really missed.
You're only eating one single
After having McDonald's, we 3 are back here and I was lucky to spot Myanmar Airways International A319 and it was my first time.
So I've got my 2 friends here doing plane spotting. I think it was scheduled for 2005, right?
Yeah.
No, they are finally. I think they are finally pushing back. They have removed everything. Okay, see you. Bye bye.
It was great meeting with them and if you love aircraft and aviation, do follow them on Instagram. Their Instagram ID is on the link below and also it is displayed in the screen. Finally, now it's time for me to go for departure. Immigration was smooth and it's one of the fastest in the world. I scanned my passport, then the face and the gate is open. All is done by the machine and it didn't even took me a minute, so now I'm already inside the departure. From here I will search for the lounge and I will go to Plaza Premium Lounge. I have been here for several times before and this is my second time here in 2024. I was struggling to find the lounge and I found the lounge after walking few minutes and I asked for staff for the directions. Now I am here at Plaza Premium Lounge and I got access to this lounge by my Priority Pass membership. First it's time to have salad and some juice. Next, now I'm going to order a chicken rice which was in the menu. I stayed here around an hour and now I'm going to my gate and also I had a quite nice rest here after dinner. After walking around 15 minutes, I am here at my gate 46D and still it's not open. Now it's 11:20 PM and my flight information is there and I am at the line waiting for gate to open. Security is done at the gate here in Changi, so it was smooth. Now I am here at the gate waiting for boarding. That's the aircraft A321-200 of Philippine Airlines with registration number RP-39903. Age of the aircraft is 11.4 years and it has 3 class configuration of seating. It has total 199 seats with 12 in business class, 18 in premium economy and 169 in economy class. Now there is the Qantas Airbus A380 and I was able to spot it. It looks really big, and I have flown only once in A380 with
510
Emirates.
bound for Manila is now ready for boarding. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite business class passengers, any Mabuhay Premier Elite and Elite members, please board the aircraft now. Please have your boarding pass are called. We would like to invite economy class passengers seated from row 66 to row 73 to board the aircraft now. Once 73, economy class passengers seated from row 45 to row 73, please board the aircraft now. Please have your boarding pass on.
Now I'm going to board the aircraft, and boarding is done according to the row number for economy class, and this is the first time that I am flying on economy class on Philippine Airlines. It's narrow body aircraft, and I think it will take time to board the aircraft.
Welcome aboard. Good morning.
Now I'm inside the aircraft. Up front there are the business class seats, and passengers are already in their seats. I have flown on these seats in business class from Bangkok to Manila, and the video is also available in this channel. Now after business class, those are the premium economy seats with extra legroom and has 3-3 seating configuration as economy class. Now this is the economy class, and I think that 2 seats are the best seats in this aircraft. Now that's my seat 53A, and it's a window seat, and finally I am here at my seat after 5 minutes. Also I can recline fully after the takeoff because there is no seat behind. Now I am on my seat, and passengers are still boarding, and my window is not clear, and also it's because of night time. The legroom is fine, but it's little tight for me because I am tall and it's just a 3 hours flight. There is this blanket and a pillow available for this flight too. Now in seat pocket there is this safety information card, and there is no IFE monitor for each seat, but streaming on your device is available. You can connect by scanning the QR code here in this card. Next, there is this tray table for each seats. Next good thing about these seats are these foldable and adjustable headrest.
Captain Ray Samala. Delighted to welcome everyone on board Philippine Airlines flight PR 510 bound for Manila. We are expecting to depart on schedule at 12:35 this morning. Flying time is 3 hours and 25 minutes, and we'll time to a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. We are expecting fair weather during the flight. Our estimated time arrival is 4:25 a.m. Manila local time. For your information, there's no time difference between Manila and Singapore. Be care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
This is First Officer Miguel Narciso and First Officer Rodrigo Bitmenda. It's your flight for surgery in essence. Our estimated flight time is approximately 3 hours and 45 minutes. We'll soon cruise at the final altitude at 35,000 feet. In just a short while, we shall be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus A321 in accordance with the Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please watch the cabin crew and airstaff. Our individual life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you.
There was announcement about the flight information and also the safety demonstration is going and it's done by crew members. Pushback was done and now the aircraft is heading towards the runway for takeoff. Outside view is unclear with the rain started to fall now. Also the flight time is 3 hours 45 minutes for today. Takeoff have been completed and seatbelt signs are on and also my window is clear now. Now the seatbelt sign is off and the plane is flying at its cruising altitude. I think soon the meal service will be served. Meal service has started and I choose this chicken one. This is the meal for my today's flight and it is served in a box which is the paper one and it's a chicken with potatoes and vegetables. Also a bread and salad is there and in drinks I choose apple juice. I finished it all and next I am waiting for hot drink. Unfortunately now there is the turbulence and seatbelt sign is on. After a few minutes, now it's normal and the service has been restarted. Now that's my hot coffee and it's served in a paper cup and also I have a lemon cake and bread too to have with it. Now the cabin lights are switched off and now it's time to go for sleep. I just woke up after sleeping around 2 hours and now the descent has already started.
Seat backs upright, tray tables stowed, window shades open, and seatbelt securely fastened. We'll be coming around to assist you as you prepare for our arrival.
There was announcement for landing and it's 4 AM here in Manila.
welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 12 minutes past the hour 4 in the morning, and it's the 28th of November 2024. Ground temperature stands at 27 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we have received clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage bin.
Landing was smooth, and this is my second time here at this airport, but it will be my first time here getting out of this airport. Previously, I flew from Bangkok to Fukuoka in Japan with Philippine Airlines with layover here in Manila. Now the plane has arrived at its gate and it's a final stop, and it's time for me to get off and go for the immigration.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Now there is the A330 of Philippine Airlines. Maybe some other day I will love to fly on it. So this is the terminal 1, and I have to fill the form online and show the QR code in the immigration. I am Nepalese citizen, so it's visa free for me, and I can stay up to 30 days. Also, they checked my address in Philippines and return ticket too. After immigration, I am here collecting my luggage, and the immigration was smooth too. Now I'm getting out of the terminal, and I don't have anything to declare in customs, so I can directly pass through it. My hotel check-in is from 2 p.m. but I have arrived here early, so I am taking a Grab and going to Terminal 3 from Terminal 1. I have arrived here at Terminal 3, and shuttle bus is there, but it is only for transit passengers. It's 24 hours open, and also I have exchanged some currency, so I will find something to eat or drink here and then go to my hotel. I'm going to stay near this tea tree, and this place is called Newport. There is this bridge connecting this Terminal 3 and the Newport. From here I can see the Terminal 2 where I previously stayed during my layover. So now I will go to my hotel and drop my luggage, then go around the city. So my stay here at Philippines is around 3 days, and thank you for watching, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram too. The link is available here and my ID is displayed in the screen too. My next flight will be of Japan Airlines to Japan from Philippines in economy class.